Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. First, you will need to download the free Pokémon Go application from your phone's app store. Once installed, create an account using your Google or Pokémon Trainer Club credentials. Remember to grant the necessary location permissions so the game can accurately track your real-world movements. Finally, customize your unique avatar's appearance to catch Pokémon. Simply walk around in your physical environment. Your in-game avatar will move on the map, revealing wild Pokémon nearby. When you see one, tap it to begin a capture encounter. You will then swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon on your screen to attempt a catch. Using items such as a raspberry can increase your chances of success, and you can collect hundreds of different Pokémon. With your CMS installed, it is time to bring your vision to life through design. Begin by selecting a professional theme or template that perfectly matches your website's purpose and aesthetic. Hostinger often includes access to hundreds of free and premium options. Then, use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to customize colors, fonts, and layouts. Remember to create essential pages like About Us, Contact, and a clear services or products section. To strengthen your team, collect candy and stardust to evolve and power up your Pokémon, increasing their combat power. Engage in thrilling trainer battles within the Go Battle League to test your skills against players worldwide and climb the ranks. Additionally, complete daily and special research tasks for unique rewards. You can also trade Pokémon with friends to complete your Pokédex and even receive special lucky Pokémon with enhanced stats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.